How to transfer photos from iPhone to PC with USB cable. Well, on iPhone it is particularly different procedure. Now, as in Android, if you directly connect USB cable to your phone and you allow the access, then you'll be able to view through the files and you can transfer files easily, right, on your Android device. However, on iPhone, that's not the case. Now, to do so, you won't be able to do it directly. What you'll have to do is you'll have to install this certain application on your PC or Windows. Let me show you. Simply head into 3u.com. Simply head into 3u.com. Here, and you'll be able to find this 3U tools for Windows, Mac, 3U tools for iOS, and 3U tools for Windows or Android. So you want to go ahead and download it for your Windows. And all you got to do is install this. Once you have installed it, now let me tell you the procedure. It'll simply give you the prompt. So it is pretty simple. Once you have installed it, open it up. It'll ask you to connect your iPhone using your USB to your PC. You want to connect it, then it'll ask you to trust the device. On your iPhone, you'll have to trust that particular device, that is your Windows. It'll give you the pop-up, don't worry. Then once you have trusted it, you'll be able to access all the files. However, you'll have to go through your face verification in order to trust it, that is your biometrics on your iPhone. Then you'll be able to access through that particular application all the files, folders, videos, photos that you can transfer easily from your iPhone to Windows or vice versa. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe as well.